Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Friday, October 7th. I've got a huge collection of fabric, a brand new kit for you, and the cutest, most adorable vendor for our handmade market to share, along with a full page of winners. So you may be a winner, stick around and wait to see. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this is a digital quilt top version. This is not what you would be purchasing, it's what you would be making. This is the Hampton Court Privy Garden Block of the Month kit. Add some color to your creative space with Figo's exclusive Block of the Month by Karen Lewis. The Privy Garden is the name of the Baroque private garden at the back of the Hampton Court Palace. The layout of the formal gardens is reflected in the quilt design. Finished size is approximately 35 inches by 35 inches. Additionally, you can put 4 kits together to create a 70 by 70 inch square quilt. Your kit contains the pattern, including optional directions for the large quilt and the fabrics for the quilt top and the binding. All fabrics and patterns are included all at once. There's no monthly pickup needed. And see, we've got everything's nicely cut in there, all the different fabrics. Yeah, it's really nice the way it's put together. And the best part about this particular block of the month is that Karen Lewis, the designer, and Figo are collaborating on a Facebook group and monthly video tutorials for this project, which will be starting next month, November 2022. The links for the Facebook group is going to be included in the kit, and you can join the online fun and kind of do this as you're interested in. That's another one of our vendors just walking around the corner. So that again is called the Hampton Court Privy Garden Block of the Month kit. Try to say that a bunch of times fast. Next up, we have Woodland Blooms. And I've been specifically asked to show you the bunny butt. This is Woodland Blooms, renowned for its countryside influences. This collaboration from Sanderson, I love this piece. Sanderson with Free Spirit features a range of woodland animals, floral blooms, and complementary geometrics. Look at those pretty pine cones, colored to represent the great outdoors. Sky blues and teal hues join with earthy tones and rustic tans to create a range of beautiful designs. I really fell in love with this when I saw it in the cards when the rep brought it. I said, yep, I'll take all of it. I just love how calm it is and how kind of outdoorsy it feels. This looks like those little etchings that you can do with crayons. It's just beautiful. That also reminds me of that necklace that I wear sometimes. Yeah. There's a really nice floral piece. This would also be really nice as home deck. So if you had a reason that you needed to have a quilt for your new sofa or your new living room, these colors, nice and fallish, and kind of have that home deck spin on them, would be a great idea for a new jumping off point for your next awesome quilt. That's very pretty. I'm becoming an orange fan. I really like that. Have your color tastes ever changed throughout your quilting journey? Let me know in the comments. I'd be interested to know if you used to be a pink person and now you're not at all. If you used to love grays and now you love taupes. Look at that. Look at those pretty owls. I'm definitely a purple fan, but orange is starting to creep into my life. Oh, I love that mustard. Yeah, that's really pretty. They're calling it saffron. Maybe that's a nicer word. Here's a very nice plaid. Oh, somebody just behind us said, ooh, that's pretty. So you better come get it. And then we've got butterflies that kind of tie all of the colors in the collection together. Next up, we have the most adorable things that we ever have had at the handmade market. This is from Ewe and Me. They are all handmade out of wool. So she makes the most adorable things ever. So Ewe and Me is a teeny tiny small business offering needle felted ornaments and collectibles, all handmade, woo, with love and care. from a simple bat of wool. Each unique piece is sculpted into a sweet, whimsical creature ready to hang on a tree or adorn your home. Look at all the little detail in there. Can you see all those little details?
And your nice nails.
Oh, thanks. Designed to spread joy, these woodland animals and holiday-themed collectibles are the perfect gift to brighten someone's day. And who doesn't know an avocado lover? And if you don't, you do now, because I'm an avocado lover. And then here's a very sweet little mouse. Oh my gosh, look at the little bow on the back of her apron. Oh, she does the most detailed, fantastical, beautiful things. Here is a little candy corn Halloween gnome. Little baby chick.
Aww.
So cute.
Show the feet.
Look at the little feet. And here's another little mousy.
Bunny.
Oh, it's a bunny. There's the tail. I got to show you the bunny tails. That's what I got to show you today. And then we have a Christmas tree gnome. That's on the bigger side for Allison with her things. And then these are her two fantastic giveaways. We have a little owl and we have a little ghost with its pumpkin. And I actually really love the boxes too. She just makes them look like such gifts. So they have little signs on top and then the pieces inside. So very excited to have her back with us. And last time she almost sold out. So be sure if you're interested in any of these cute little wool goodies that you get here early on the 15th. Now we have a gigantic list of winners from the previous vendors that we have seen. And of course, if you would like to enter to win either of the two items by Allison with You and Me, all you have to do is comment where you're seeing us. We do have a lot of the same people who comment. So I am at this point looking for original names that we haven't already given winnings to. So if you haven't yet commented and you're one of those people that watches but never says anything, now is your chance to win. So if you see your name here, just give us a contact at the shop by call or by email. Let us know how you'd like to receive your gift. If you're not a local customer of ours, we would ask that you pay actual shipping or that we pop it in in an order for you, or with an order that you're going to place, we'll toss in your gift for you. And as always, thank you so much to all of our vendors for supplying gifts just to get people excited about the handmade market, because everything that anyone makes takes time and energy and resources, and to give these pieces away to our viewers and to our fans is really, really generous. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend. The handmade market is only 8 days away. Dun, dun, dun. So be sure to put it on your calendars if you haven't already. And have a lot of fun this weekend. Do something exciting. Hope you have a great time, and we'll see you back here on Monday. Bye.